Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 90A, St Kilda Road in Rivervale. This family home was the builder's home. So you've got all the extras they always add, from the high ceilings, larger bedrooms, and a substantial alfresco area at the back. Plus, we're on one of the leafier streets in Rivervale. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed the tour of 90A, St Kilda Road in Rivervale. As you can see, all this home needs is you to pick the furniture and move in. To find more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.